There are few ways to edit the material applied to components in your simulation study in SIMULIA on 3D Experience platform. Feature Manager will list the solid or the shell section properties defined for the components and the material currently assigned. We have 7 components that are assigned the alloy steel. To change the material assignment, I can go to the material palette, select the material of choice, and then use the context toolbar to assign it to the component. So I'm selecting the gray cast iron for the yoke component. The context toolbar gives me the option and I can select the required one. In this case, I'll just go with the physical product. And in few seconds, the material assignment gets updated. The history tree shows the yoke female part now has the gray cast iron material assigned. To edit this, let's say I want to assign a different material, I can use the same process. Could come over here, select a different material, and then select the replace mode option. This will replace the gray cast iron with the ABS material. You can see the history tree has updated and now ABS is applied to the yoke part. I could also use the pick material option if I want to assign the material that is currently applied on the base plate and use that same material for the yoke part. So I can just click on the component from where I want to copy the material and then select the other component to which I want to apply it to. And again, use the replace mode to replace the ABS with the same material that was applied to the base plate. I hope these time-saving options will make your simulation process more efficient.